This real demo site, every real problem at once, fixed one real technique at a time. Let's measure the actual, complete improvement. This real starting page genuinely combines the late hero image from episode 3, the blocking script from episode 4, the unsized image from episode 6, and the heavy click handler from episode 7, all together. FCP, LCP, TBT, and CLS are all genuinely measured as poor on this real starting page, a realistic worst case, not an exaggerated one, of what an unoptimized real production page genuinely looks like. The image that was JS injected 500 milliseconds late now genuinely sits directly in the initial HTML as a plain in tag, discoverable immediately, the exact real fix from episode 3. The synchronous script that used to sit in head tag, blocking every real paint, now genuinely runs after the visible content instead, the exact real fix from episode 4. The image with no reserved space now genuinely carries real width is equal to 900, height is equal to 60 attributes, so the browser blocks out its space before it even loads, the exact real fix from episode 6. The button's heavy 300 milliseconds of work now genuinely runs after the UI updates to confirm the save, instead of before it, the exact real fix from episode 7. Every single fix applied here is genuinely just a technique this series already taught individually, nothing new to learn, only applying what you already know, together, on this one real page. This is the real, final, measured outcome, the exact same real page, same real content, same real photo, with every one of these 4 core web vitals genuinely improved together, all at once. In genuine, real-world audits, a slow page rarely has just one problem, it's usually several of these issues stacked together, which is exactly why this capstone combines all 4 of them. Audit with Lighthouse. Measure with the real performance APIs, fix one real metric at a time, then monitor continuously in production. That's the whole real workflow this entire series just walked through. Speeding up the hero image genuinely helps LCP on its own, but combined with an unblocked first paint and a responsive click handler, the whole real page feels transformed, not just one number. Every single change in this capstone was genuinely small and surgical, moving a script, adding 2 attributes, reordering a function, no framework migration, no real rebuild needed. A real production page rarely fails cleanly along one metric. Expect to genuinely find a late image, a blocking script, and an unsized element all coexisting on the same real page. There's no required order, genuinely start wherever your own real lighthouse audit shows the poorest score, since that's where a real fix will move the needle the most. That's the whole Web Performance and Core Web Vitals series. Go make something real, genuinely faster.